My dad was in the tool business. He sold tools to the commercial industry, service shops, saw a void in product availability and or services unrelated directly to the tools, but the chemistry. He had the vision, and between myself and our family, we took that energy and developed growth and product manufacturing. No one is identical to this company. What makes us unique is we have what we believe is the total package.
At Majestic Solutions, we have a huge diversity of clients that come in, whether they're detailers, they have their own detail shops, they work for dealerships, or they're your regular consumer that just wants to take care of their own cars. And we make sure all the employees are on the same knowledge base, whether they're in the supply stores or commercially. They go through our CareTech training program to get the exact same training as their team members do. And that's 100% our goal is customer satisfaction. We become your business partner essentially because their success is our success.
With the commercial side at Majestic, we don't focus on, I guess, a traditional sales approach. We are more service-based. We really want to get in there and solve your problems, and I feel like that really builds trust with the customer. At Majestic, we provide high-quality products. We have a full service department that does on-site repairs for equipment, pressure washers, extractors, buffers, a little bit of everything.
At Majestic Solutions, I would say the main thing is consistency. That builds confidence in your customer base. And that's what we strive and thrive on, is consistency in what we produce every day. To me personally, it's very exciting to see something go from raw chemicals to an end product. With our quality control, we are testing our products to make sure that everything is the way it was before.
That's what Majestic is. That's why you would choose Majestic, is we're unique that way. We're just not an online push a button, place an order, get it delivered without support. We are a total package support, solve your problems supplier. It's been an absolute blessing by God to run our business and be part of it and have the team we have today, which without good people, you cannot be a successful company. A unique company, total package, with a lot of heart in it. We are not the biggest, but I believe we are one of the best.